Hey there, and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes, you, Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at exercise number 5, found in Lesson 7, where we are exploring linear versus exponential models. And exercise number 5 says Charlize has a prepaid cell phone. She begins with $50 as an initial account balance. Each minute Charlize talks on the phone will deduct 20 cents from her balance. Is this scenario linear or exponential? Explain how you determined your answer. So she's starting off with $50 on her card. And if she talks for 1 minute, we subtract 20 cents. And if she talks on the phone another minute, we're going to subtract 20 cents. Subtract 20 cents every minute she talks on the phone. So we will always subtract 20 cents for the number of minutes she talks on the phone. So this is going to represent a linear function because the amount decreases by a constant number each time, which is 20 cents. Create an equation to represent the remaining balance, g of x. Okay, so we're going to be using g of x as a function of the number of minutes x she spends talking on the phone. So again, we're going to be using y equals mx plus b for a linear, because we know it's linear. And we know that our slope now is our rate of change, and that's going to be minus 20 cents, minus 20 cents, minus 20 cents. So our slope is minus 20 cents for every minute she talks. And she's got an initial balance of $50. So right here we have an equation that represents a function that shows the number of minutes she talks for and the number of dollars left on her prepaid phone. So using this function now in part C, we're going to find the value of g of 10. So g of 10, we're going to substitute 10 in there, and anytime we see an x, we're going to substitute in a 10. And when we do that, we're going to have g of 10 is equal to, well, that's going to be negative 2 plus 50. And that's going to be g of 10 is going to give us a value of 48. Now it says explain what your answer means in the context of the problem. So this means that after 10 minutes of talking on the phone, $48 remain on the plan, on the prepaid phone plan. She's got $48 left to spend because she's used now 10 minutes worth, which in this case is $2. So now find the value of x that makes g of x equal to 15. So now we're given what g of x equals, so we'll replace g of x over here with 15. And we'll just keep everything else exactly how it is. And we're going to be solving for x now, so let's subtract 50 from both sides. And we're going to get 15 minus 50 is going to give us negative 35 is equal to negative 20 cents x. And we want to go ahead and we want to divide negative 35 divided by negative 20 cents. That's going to give us an x value of 175. And explain what this means in the context of the problem. That means when Charlize talks on the phone for 175 minutes, then she'll have $15 left on her plan. So she could talk on the phone for 175 minutes and still have $15 left on her prepaid cell phone plan. That's what that number means right there, along with this number up here. So now we have found an x value given a y value and a y value given an x value. And if this information was helpful, along with setting up an equation and explaining whether it's linear or exponential, please give this video a thumbs up. And you're now ready for our final exercise in this chapter, exercise number 6. You could click on the link in the video provided. Thank you for watching.